You're looking for a hydroponic system. Comes with everything that you need to get started except for seeds, adding in plant food. We're going to show you step by step in brief detail, showing you how to get started in setting up. We're going to show you everything that you get in the system. And you'll decide if this product for your indoor planting needs may be right for you. From the provider DRYADES, 16 pods, 24-watt, hydroponic grow system for herbs and plants and more. We're going to demonstrate and show you a brief detail about the product, what it's about. Let's open up the box and show you what you get inside. Everything for you to get started comes nicely packaged and presented to you with information about the plant spectrum, a manual to go over with information, and underneath your system. As we gently pull it out and remove from the box, carefully lift up, and remove the foam. Inside is taped, your doors, and everything inside to remove. Happy gardening bags, plugs, hardware, corks, labeling, and additional corks for your needs. We have boxes with accessories and the feet. With the two orange feet with the unit matching the squares up, setting into place. The legs match up, slide on, lock down. Lifting the cover from the backside, holding the unit in place. In the manual is a broken detail of how everything gets set up. For our demonstration purposes, we have the power supply plugs in. In the back of the unit, for the first time plugging in, the light will come on. A notch and a water pump. As we add in water to the unit, to a fill line. Inside the unit is the pump flowing. Placing back on the cover, adding water, the cover is removable. Loading up for nursery stage. We're going to prepare our pods. And the pods we're not using, putting caps on. We have butterfly signs, little bird signs that can go into the areas. Little dates for the seeds by marking down and peeling off. And stickers that say, look. We have peat moss that needs to be soaked in water. Once completely soaked, they will fit inside with the cover after the seeds are onto the top, germinating. During the growth process, we have bag A of plant food and bag B of plant food. And we have it in the containers that we simply add water to and nourish. When setting up, simply turn on the unit by hitting the power button and the information provided on top. We have the off and on light, red and green. The pump to be off and on for a 10-hour or longer, 22-hour of individual settings. With vegetables, flowers, or herbs from 16 hours to 22 hours and a sleep mode. We will be putting in herbs and show you what the herbs will look like fully grown. This is what the hydroponic system will look like when your plants have reached maturity. This is basil. Simply grab the leaves as needed. You have your herbs with the lighting system over time. If you're looking for a hydroponic herb, vegetable, and flower system, built-in timer and irrigation pump that simply take the cover off and add in water as needed, or change out pods to place in different types of herbs, vegetables, and so forth with 18 pods. We plug up the ones that we don't use, and we have a height adjustment on the arm. We'll give a measurement from the base, the floor to the top, 24 inches, and in the width, about 17 inches, and going across up to 7.5 inches, while the light on top measures 16 inches by 6.25. It is a feather touch on top that you could turn off for sleep mode and back on for regular lighting. And you could change the intervals of the timer. You could turn the pump on, which is silent, and the different spectrums for vegetables, plants, and herbs. I hope you enjoy your hydroponic plant irrigation system. It has a window level of adding in water, your light spectrum with the information provided in the manual and a guide. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.